A rewarded play referral usually doesn't credit because one or more referral requirements haven't been met. The reward is still processing, or the referral wasn't tracked correctly when the new user signed up. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons referral rewards don't appear, how to troubleshoot the problem, and when it's time to contact support. Here's the first thing to check. Make sure every referral requirement has actually been completed. Referral rewards are normally tied to specific conditions, not just entering a referral code or installing the app. If any required step is missing, the reward may not be credited. Next, give the app some time to process the referral. Referral rewards are not always added instantly. If all the required steps were completed recently, the system may still be verifying the activity before updating your account. You should also confirm that the new user installed Rewarded Play through the correct referral process. If the app was downloaded before using the referral link or code, the referral may not have been connected to the new account. Another important step is checking that both accounts are using the latest version of Rewarded Play. Open the App Store and install any available updates. Running older versions can sometimes lead to tracking or synchronization problems. If the referral still hasn't appeared, restart the app on both devices. Closing Rewarded Play completely and reopening it can refresh account information and display rewards that were already processed. It's also worth checking your internet connection. A weak connection can delay account synchronization, making it seem like a referral hasn't been credited when it's actually waiting to update. Before assuming there's a technical problem, review the referral details inside the app. Make sure the referral program is still active for your account and that all of the listed conditions have been satisfied. Referral offers can vary by region and promotion, so it's important to rely on the requirements shown in your own account. If everything looks correct and the referral reward still hasn't arrived after allowing reasonable processing time, contact Rewarded Play support. Include your account information, the email address or username of the referred user if requested, and a description of the issue. Providing as much relevant information as possible helps the support team investigate faster. The key points are simple. Verify the referral requirements, allow time for processing, update the app, and review the referral details before assuming the reward is missing. Your next step is to go through each referral requirement carefully, then contact support only if every condition has been met and the reward still hasn't been credited. If this guide helped you troubleshoot the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and reward app tips.